The grass fence production line consists of a wire-making machine, a weaving machine, and a net rolling machine. The wire-making machine has two sections. One for wire film bonding. The upper and lower layers of PVC film are combined with the upper and lower metal wires after passing through a specially shaped cutting blade. The other section for twisting and rolling the grass wires. The weaving machine interlaces the prepared grass wires into a mesh. The wires pass through a straightening device, are shaped into waves using a mold, and cut to a set length. Each wire is threaded through the previous ones, forming a sturdy mesh structure. The net rolling machine then rolls up the woven mesh. For easy storage and transportation, sensors between the weaving and net rolling machines detect when the mesh reaches the preset length and trigger automatic rolling. Both the wire making and weaving machines are controlled by two PLC units. By default, Delta controllers are used, but brands like Schneider and Mitsubishi can be customized upon request. For more information, please contact us.